For thousands of years, humanity lived beneath a sky filled with meaning. Every star was a guide. Every planet was a messenger. Every eclipse was a revelation. Every constellation was a story. But then something changed. Cities grew. Lights multiplied. Skyscrapers rose. The night sky faded. For the first time in human history, most people could no longer see the Milky Way. The heavens became background noise. The stars became irrelevant. The sky became forgotten. This was the age of forgetting, a time when humanity turned inward, focusing on the world it built rather than the universe it came from. But the universe did not disappear. It waited, and eventually, humanity looked up again. In the early 1600s, a simple tube of glass and metal changed everything. The telescope, a device so humble, yet so revolutionary that it reopened the heavens. Galileo pointed it at the sky and saw mountains on the moon, moons orbiting Jupiter, phases of Venus, countless stars invisible to the naked eye, the Milky Way as a river of light. The universe was not what ancient people imagined. It was far larger, far stranger, far more beautiful. But here is the cosmic irony. The telescope did not contradict ancient intuition. It confirmed it. The heavens were not static. They were dynamic, alive, evolving. The universe was not a dome. It was infinite. The sky was not separate from humanity. It was the origin of humanity. The telescope did not destroy myth. It translated it. Isaac Newton looked at the falling apple and saw the falling moon. He realized the same force that pulled the apple to the ground kept the moon in orbit. Gravity, a universal law, a cosmic order, a principle that governs everything from dust to galaxies. Ancient civilizations believed the universe was structured. Newton proved it. The cosmos was not chaos. It was choreography. Planets moved in predictable paths. Stars followed gravitational rhythms. Galaxies danced in spirals and clusters. The universe was not random. It was mathematical, and humanity could understand it. In the 1800s, scientists discovered something extraordinary. Light carries information. Every star emits a spectrum, a cosmic fingerprint revealing its temperature, composition, motion, and age. By studying starlight, humanity could read the universe. Ancient civilizations believed the stars were messages. Modern science agreed, literally. Light is a messenger, a carrier of cosmic memory, a record of events billions of years old. When you look at a star, you're seeing the past. You are witnessing ancient history written in photons. The universe is not silent. It is speaking, and light is its language. For most of human history, people believed the Milky Way was the entire universe, a single island of stars, a cosmic home. But in the 1920s, Edwin Hubble discovered something astonishing. The Milky Way is just one galaxy among billions. The universe is a vast ocean of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. Ancient civilizations believed the heavens were infinite. Modern science confirmed it. The cosmos is not a small, enclosed realm. It is a boundless expanse, a cathedral of galaxies stretching across unimaginable distances, and humanity is part of it. In 1965, two radio astronomers detected a faint hiss, a whisper of ancient light, the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, the first memory of the universe. Ancient myths spoke of creation emerging from chaos. Modern science revealed the moment it happened. A flash of light, a burst of energy, a universe expanding from a single point. The Big Bang was not just the beginning of matter. It was the beginning of time, the beginning of structure, the beginning of memory. The universe remembers its own birth. And now, so do we. In the 1970s, astronomers noticed something strange. Galaxies were spinning too fast. Stars were moving too quickly. Clusters were too massive. Something unseen was holding them together. Dark matter, invisible, mysterious, everywhere. Ancient civilizations believed the universe had an unseen realm, a hidden world of gods, spirits, and forces. Modern science discovered an unseen realm of its own, not spiritual but physical, not metaphorical but measurable. Dark matter forms the skeleton of the cosmos. It shapes galaxies. It binds clusters. It sculpts the universe. The unseen is not imaginary. It is essential. In 1998, scientists made a discovery so shocking it changed cosmology forever. The universe is not slowing down. It is speeding up. Something is pushing galaxies apart. Something is accelerating cosmic expansion. Dark energy, a force that makes up most of the universe. A force we do not understand. A force that shapes the destiny of everything. Ancient civilizations believed the universe breathed, expanding and contracting in cycles. Modern science discovered a cosmic expansion driven by an unknown force. The universe is not static. It is dynamic, alive with motion. For centuries, humans wondered if other worlds existed. In the 1990s, we found them. Planets orbiting distant stars. Thousands of them. Some rocky, some gaseous, some in the habitable zone. Ancient civilizations believed the heavens were filled with other realms. Modern science discovered other worlds. The universe is not empty. It is abundant. Life may not be unique. Earth may not be special. Humanity may not be alone. The cosmos is a garden of worlds. In the 2000s, astronomers mapped the universe on the largest scales. What they found was breathtaking. Galaxies are not scattered randomly. They form a vast cosmic web, filaments, clusters, and voids stretching across billions of light years. A structure that resembles neural networks, biological systems, fractal patterns, ancient symbols. The universe is not chaotic. It is organized, structured, patterned. Ancient civilizations believed the cosmos was woven, a tapestry of forces and beings. Modern science discovered the cosmic web. The universe is literally woven. In 2015, scientists detected ripples in space-time, gravitational waves. The universe was not silent. It was singing, black holes colliding, neutron stars merging, cosmic events sending vibrations across the fabric of reality. Ancient civilizations believed the universe had music, the harmony of the spheres. Modern science discovered cosmic symphonies. The universe is not static. It resonates. For centuries, humanity forgot the stars. But now, for the first time since Babylon, we are looking up again. Telescopes peer into the dawn of time. Probes leave the solar system. AI decodes cosmic patterns. Quantum physics challenges reality. Cosmology explores the origins of existence. The sky has returned, not as myth, not as superstition, but as revelation. Ancient civilizations sense the universe. Modern science measures it, and together, they reveal a profound truth. The cosmos is not separate from us. We are part of its story. The universe remembers, and humanity is remembering too. Thank you for watching. You are part of this cosmic story now. Subscribe, and let's keep exploring the universe together.